here's the rest of the top. It's a cool little place to hang out in the future. I don't know if there's any, I don't see any tracks. Definitely if it was warm. Oh, well then I don't think I'd put a sleeping bag out here, if I didn't think of it. Unless I want a friend. Like a friendly snake. Oh, there's something. Oh, look at that. What's in here? Just another way. If I had to go out, I just went right back. That's the same way I came in. Well, let me check it out in a minute. Look at the rocks. Look how they, shifted and grew. And this is a different type of rock compared to the granite. Something was happening in life back then. And these pushed out crooked. Oh, yeah. There's another little cave there. Man, if I was an Indian or cave person, this is where I'd be hanging out. What's that? That is an old purse, probably. Right? It's just been leathered. Ouch! That looks like, I don't know. It'd be crazy if there was something in here. Like, it's a treasure. You can see the alligator on it. Maybe somebody's murdered up here. And their purse was tossed up here with thousands of dollars in it. Another piece of something. I don't know what that is. There's some more stuff up here. People on the road are probably like, what the fuck is she doing over there? Oh, you see all the dirt's just running down through here. Wow, there's sandstone. Oh my God, I'm sweating. Because I got a big fat hoodie on. Okay, I think I'm coming to there's another little cave there. There's the road. So, Steve buried his bones here before he died. I don't know how that's happened, but... Oh, so here's the top, I guess, where people just park. Yeah. That looks interesting up there. I'm not quite sure what that square thing is, but I'm good. I have pretty much conquered the mountain.